Welcome to RubyDeanCuisines, and like I said before, it is holiday season. So today I'm going to teach you my dressing. Yes, sir, my chicken flavored stuffing, baby. And I'm telling you, it's going to be amazing to you. I've already started to melt our butter. The butter's already started. So I'm going to go on and put in my my vegetables. All right, so we're going to get all the vegetables in there. I love colors, so you're gonna see a whole lot of colors in my food. Oh yes, let's get all of that in there. Okay, hold on for me. Put that right there, and let me just move on over here and get this all out of there. All right, so all I did was dice up some delicious peppers. I have orange, I have red, I have yellow, and I have green. Okay, also there is celery and onions in here. Everybody know what the Trinity is. The Trinity is what? Peppers, onion, and celery. Okay, that is the Trinity. So we're gonna give this about 15 minutes. We wanna get them nice and tender to go into our dressing. Okay? All right. As you can see, we have sauteed all of my vegetables. They are already done, okay? And we've already crumbed up all of the cornbread that I did a day or two in advance. Do your cornbread 2 days in advance. Let it sit for a while so you can get a nice crumble, okay? Do that. So we're gonna continue to get everything in combined. We're gonna combine everything right now, okay? I'm just waiting on my roasted chicken so I can chop that up and get everything in there. All right, so I'm gonna start off and just go on and put my cornbread in my bowl already. Oh yeah, we're gonna get that in there nice. Oh my goodness. See how fine that is? Now, you want some of it, if you can, keep some of it whole. Keep some nice crumbs. You okay? Keep those. Those are good for you. All right, keep that. All you want in the stuffing is straight up goodness. That's all you want. We're gonna go on and combine all of our vegetables in. Okay, we got our vegetables in there. All righty, and we're just gonna mix that around. Now I'm a hands person, so I work with my hands. Certain foods, you need your hands, okay? Certain foods, you need the hands. Soul food is about soul, and it's about flavor. That's all soul food is about. It's about flavor. All right? So we're just gonna go on and combine this in. All right? Another thing that I use, we're gonna combine this in. I am sharing my secret ingredients with the world. Okay? So I do cornbread. I also go and get a box of Stovetop's turkey. Okay? And I use that, and I also use my homeboy Pepperidge Farm, okay? I also use him as well, okay? So we're gonna put them all in there. Yes, it will make a big, it'll make a big one for you. We're gonna mix all of this around. We're gonna get all that goodness in, okay? Look at that, that looks beautiful. Look at all that, all right? Okay, now I'm gonna go on and I'm gonna start adding in some more ingredients. But you know what I do wanna do? I actually wanna kind of wait on my roasted chicken a little bit. So that's what we're gonna do right now. I'm gonna wait on my roasted chicken, and I'll be back, everyone. We have now all of the ingredients for this dressing that we're getting ready to do. We have already put in our cornbread. We have already put in all of our breadcrumbs. The seasonings are going to be going in. We have already put in our vegetables. Now I'm gonna add in my eggs. I put 3 eggs in this. Okay, we're gonna add all of the eggs in. Get all that goodness in there. Yes, Chef Noah's gonna go on and add in our cream of chicken is what I use. Okay, so we're gonna add that in. Go ahead. Get all of that goodness in here. Get it all. Let's get everything in there. Got a lot to mix here. Yep. Now, of course, we're gonna put in our broth. Okay, and let me keep mixing. You can smell all of the flavors right now. Go ahead and pour some more in there for me, brother.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start putting in some of the seasonings. So I put in a little bit of sage, just a little bit. I put in a little bit of some all-purpose, and we got some poultry. Okay, gonna mix this in. Keep mixing. So again, I just want to go back and let you know what's in our pan again, okay, in this beautiful bowl. We already have our crumbled cornbread, okay? We also have all of our peppers. We have the red pepper, we have the yellow pepper, we have a green pepper, we have an orange pepper in there, okay? Half each of those and cut and dice all of them, okay? We have our onion. I put one whole onion in this, okay? Dice it as well. Then we came over here, I have my chicken broth. 3 eggs is what I put in here, okay? This is going to make 2 lasagna pans, all right? 2 lasagna pans, okay? Now, we did use some stovetop stuffing crumbs, and I also used the Pepperidge Farm crumbs as well, all right? That was the herbs that I used, garlic and herbs. So we have 3 different types of crumbs in this stuffing, all right? Now, I use a little bit of Lowry's. I use some all-purpose. I have some poultry. I also use some sage. All right? Now we're gonna mix it up. All right? Chef Noah, do you like stuffing?
Not usually.
You're gonna love this stuffing, I'm telling you. When you taste it, you're gonna love this stuffing, you hear me? Okay, yep. Now with this stuffing, we are going to, when we bake it, we're gonna bake it on 375 today. All right? We're gonna bake it on 375 for about 30 minutes. Then I'm gonna go back in and I'm gonna check it, and I'm probably gonna give it another 15 minutes. The total time for stuffing should be 45 minutes. All right? All right. Now, this is my consistency. I don't know if everyone can see it, but that is my consistency that I like for my stuffing, okay? I want everybody to enjoy their holiday. But you cannot mess up stuffing macaroni and cheese and candy yams and that turkey on Thanksgiving. Can't mess them up, everybody, because the family gonna talk about you in a bad way. They're gonna hurt your feelings. So after I put all the ingredients in and I mixed it real good, I realized that I forgot one of my ingredients, and that is my good old butter.
How much butter did you
Baby, you gotta put 1 stick of butter in it. And that butter's gonna bring the flavor that you've been waiting for a very long time, right? Then after I did that, I poured everything inside of these pans. I also sprayed my pans with a little bit of baking flour, and we're gonna put it in the oven right now.
So did you spray the pans before or after adding the stuffing?
I sprayed the pans before and then I add the stuffing like that. That's the proper way to do it, okay? So we're gonna go now and we're gonna put this stuffing inside of the oven, okay? So I've got it on 375 right now, okay? I'm so crazy right now. Here, I want to put this on. I'm going to put foil over it. I want it to steam up. I want it to cook really good. So we're going to cook it like that. I'll let the steam cook it up. Thank you so much, sir, chef. Appreciate that. Lord, kids don't know how much this costs. You know what I'm saying? But it's all good. I'm gonna put it right on in there. All right, here we go. Chef, you can put that one in, please, for me.
So what temperature are we cooking this and how long are we cooking?
We are gonna cook this at 375. We are also going to cook it for 45 minutes. I will be back in 30 minutes to check it, okay? The texture for this is like almost a cake. You wanna take a toothpick? For me, nothing should come off, okay? For my stuffing. Everyone's stuffing is very different, okay? This is Derek Griffin's stuffing. It's Chef D stuffing, okay? Okay, be right back. The stuffing is now done. That's come out of the oven. I have already plated the stuffing. Look at how beautiful it came out. The crispiness on the sides, the moisture in the middle. This stuffing is fantastic. I will let you know the truth on this. It did take about an hour to 2 hours to cook this stuffing, and it's only because I made a lot of stuffing. I made 2 pans of it. So I just want to let you know, if you're making one pan, normally 350, 375, 45 minutes to an hour, you should be good on your stuffing, all right? Thank you so much for sharing this day with me with my new holiday spread.